little summer storm coming through. Amazing, beautiful sunset and a lot of lightning. Let's see if I can capture some of that lightning that we've been seeing. There it is. There it is. And unfortunately, not enough rain. If that lightning hits the ground, we're going to have some issues, especially with this wind. Oh, it's just so angry up there in the sky. I got lightning all the way around me. Let's see if we can get this. We got lightning off to Rattlesnake Hill and Immigrant Lake. Okay, we got lightning in the background on the far hillside. It's literally surrounding us right now.